welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? I am doing great. This video is just an updated video for you guys with me going back to the doctor. I had to go and do back the second ultrasound to see if the medication worked. Alright, so I hope you guys like my video, give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Alright, and at the end of the video I'll tell you guys my whole experience. So hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Guys, so I'm back at the hospital now. I came to do my ultrasound. Oh my god, rain is pouring like hell. Yeah, I came to do my ultrasound, then I have to go back to the doctor. So hopefully the ultrasound show good news and hopefully this medication work. If not, I definitely would have to do the CT scan. So let's go and do the ultrasound now. Guys, it's like really pouring rain right now. Watch. Suddenly the rain just started pouring like hard. Wow. I'm gonna run in this rain because I don't think I have the umbrella here. My god. So I didn't get to do the ultrasound today because the waiting time is 3.5 hours. So the girl says best I come back tomorrow because the doctor only works up to 1 o'clock and now it's like 11 o'clock, so it's best I come back tomorrow. So I'm gonna try and come early in the morning. Alright guys, see you tomorrow. Hi guys, so this is the next morning. Now it's like 7 o'clock in the morning. I came early to do the ultrasound because as you guys can see I didn't get to do it yesterday, so I decided to come early this morning. So let's go into the hospital now guys and do this ultrasound. Pray that it got good news. Please. Alright guys, see you inside.
Of course, the last time we spoke, you were having some that kind of experience. But we had it 2 days prior to coming to see me, and we had an ultrasound to show the swelling. You chose not to do the CT scan and you plan to put you on some medication. Repeat the ultrasound and see what happens. Before I even get to this, have you experienced any pain similar or anything close to it over the last week? Nothing. So it looks like whatever it was obstructing it has passed. And everything seems to be pretty much back to normal. So that's good news. Yeah. Alright. So go live your life normally. You should always check back. Once you form stones, you can always reform new stones. So be sure.
To check back.
I'm about to tell you. So check at least every 6 months. Okay? And we'll make sure everything is okay.
Okay.
Good. Here you go.
I'm happy with that.
Yep, that's really good news.
Alright, thank you. Alright guys, so as you heard what the doctor say that it was kidney stone I had and I passed them out. The medication that he gave me, it worked, so I passed out all of the kidney stone. I am happy about that. Yay! Thank you God. Oh my gosh. That pain was terrible. That pain was, if you guys think labor pain is hard, that pain that I had experienced was like 3 times hotter than labor pain. I don't ever want to experience that again guys. Oh my gosh, that was so terrible. I just woke up like a morning, like 6 o'clock in the morning, and I started feeling like terrible pain on the left side. I was like, what the hell, you know? And then the pain come on like hotter and hotter and hotter, and then I started vomiting, I started getting diarrhea, then I started getting bad feelings. Everything just attacked me one after the other the morning. I was like, oh my god, what the hell's wrong with me? Guys, I literally thought I was dying or something. I didn't know what the hell was wrong. First I thought it was like food poisoning, but then I was like, no man, food poisoning don't got you like how I'm feeling, you know? But I'm so happy that I'm feeling better now, and I want to also thank all of my subscribers for all your prayers, all your loves, all your messages, all your calls. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it, and I'm feeling much better now. So your girl gonna be back with her videos. All right. So from next week, I will be uploading videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. All right, guys. And thank you guys so much again, and keep on subscribing if you're new. All right. We're on our way to 10,000 subscribers. All right, guys. So take care and have a blessed night. Bye, guys.